Join us as we delve into the poignant farewell speech of Lionel Messi, the renowned football legend, as he bids adieu to FC Barcelona. In this speech, Messi, known for his extraordinary talent and deep connection with the club, shares his heartfelt emotions and reflections on his 20-year journey with Barcelona. Explore key points such as his sense of unpreparedness for this moment, his profound sacrifices for the club, and his unwavering love and gratitude towards the fans and the city. This video offers a unique insight into the enduring legacy of Messi at Barcelona and the broader topic of dedication and emotional connection in professional sports.
On this final day, I was contemplating, pondering it, in order to determine what I was going to express, what I had the ability to articulate. The truth is that I couldn't do anything. I was blocked, like I am now still. This is extremely challenging for me after such a long period of time. To do my entire life here, I was not prepared. The truth is that last year, when all the mess with Burfak and everything that happened, I was prepared. I knew what I had to say, and I was convinced, but not this year. This year, my family and I were convinced that we were going to stay here, that we were going to stay in our house, which was exactly what we wanted the most, without a doubt, and there was no doubt in our minds about it. Our top priority is always our well-being, being in the comfort of our home, and continuing to savor the life we have in the vibrant city of Barcelona, both through engaging in sports and embracing the beauty of everyday life, which is truly remarkable and fills us with joy. However, on this day, I find myself compelled to bid a heartfelt farewell to this cherished aspect of my life that has brought me so much joy and fulfillment. As mentioned earlier, for many years, my entire life here, I arrived at a very young age, 13 years old when I first came. Following a span of 21 years, I am departing alongside my spouse, accompanied by 3 individuals from Argentina who identify as Catalans. I couldn't be prouder of everything I did and experienced in this city, which I have no doubt that after being away for a few years, we will return because it is our home, because I also promised it to my children. And nothing. I am grateful for everything I have experienced, to my teammates, to my former teammates, to all the people from the club, those who were by our side and those we don't see, which are many. We cross paths very few times. I was brought up with the values of this club. I consistently endeavored to handle myself with humility, respect, and that is precisely how I conducted myself with every single person in this household. I hope that is what remains of me, of the luck I had to live and give many things to the club that meant so much to me. I had numerous beautiful experiences, as well as some negative ones, but all of those experiences contributed to my personal growth, continuous improvement, and the person I have become today. I sacrificed everything for this club, for this shirt, starting from the day I first arrived and continuing until the very end. In all honesty, I must admit that I am truly and completely satisfied with the outcome of the situation. Thanks for the love from the people as usual. I enjoyed bidding farewell in a unique manner. I never envisaged my farewell because I didn't ponder it, but I do not think I would have imagined it in this way, or anticipated it to unfold in such a manner. I had a great time doing it with individuals in the countryside, being able to hear one last ovation from them, and experiencing their final affection. I missed you greatly during this entire pandemic period when we couldn't play with an audience, and I missed the feeling of being able to have you close, the support, celebrating a goal with them, hearing an ovation that resounded in my name. Now, as I retire from this club without having witnessed it, it has been over a year and a half. The truth is, if I had imagined this situation, I would have pictured it with the stadium full, being able to be close to the people and properly bid them farewell. However, it unfolded in this way, and I reiterate my gratitude for all the love throughout these years. We have experienced both wonderful and challenging moments, but the unwavering love from the people has always remained. I always sensed it. I sensed the recognition, the love, as I also sensed it. And this club will remain like this for the entirety of my life. I hope to be able to rejoin this club in the future, in any capacity that may be possible for me at that time. I am hopeful that I can make a valuable contribution in order to ensure that this club perseveres in delivering its utmost and maintains its position as the premier club in the world. I do not know. In all likelihood at this moment, I have forgotten a lot of things I wanted to say. But well, that is what I am able to say right now. I am not in a good state to think and have the words come out. The best thing is that we move on to the question and answer session. And again, simply thanks to everyone.